Okay, I'm going to give you a tour of my newly restored Barracuda. How about that? Can you see it? And the great thing is there's no rust on that critter. Well, at least not on the body anyway. I imagine there's still some on the frame. But we don't care about that, do we? So long as it don't show. If it don't show, if rust don't show, it ain't there. Until you see it, of course. And we're back at the front. Okay, now I'm going to let you see inside the car. We're going to switch this critter around for this part. Well, I guess I'm not going to switch it around because it won't switch. Anyway, what do you think about that? New dashboard, got some nice pretty trim on the door panel. Yeah, I know the door panels look horrible still. I tried my best to fix them, but you can't fix plastic that's beyond repair. Anyway, how many of you noticed the door still had tape on the door handle? Well, there's a reason for that. I still need to put the white mark on it. All right, that's all.